Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Somehow, as always, this little box is broken. Right, so some of you keen-eyed people will already be able to see the problem, but I will show you. Wabam! That should not do that. That is your expansion tank for your coolant, and that is broken. So fingers crossed, should be fairly straightforward. I'm going to take off the battery, take all these plastics off, and then just try and figure it out from there. So I will start taking bits off until I sort of get to the area where everything's free. Right, I should be able to get this little clipper thingy out, whatever you want to call this. There you go, that's that out. Then get the old battery off. Now I can whip the battery out. I've got that to take off so that I can get all these plastic bits free. I already had this free. Right, I've basically got that bolt out. Oh, so I just need to pull it off, and hopefully all the sort of the pipe work will come. Well, it definitely will. Right, so I just got to hopefully pull this bolt out, and then I should be able to yank it all loose. Oh, I have a feeling it may be connected somewhere else. I got that wrong. Right, so I can't get this out. I think there is a 10mm right up in the arch somewhere here that I will also remove, and then it should give me access. Right, so there's another nut right in here somewhere. There it is. Now I'm going to get to it, but... Oh, and it started raining. Lovely jubbly. Right, this can bugger off somehow, somewhere. Rather awkward to get to. So we've got two little 10mm here as well, holding the coolant tank in. So I'll try and get these out. Right, it is all loose other than there is a, oh, come on, that little pipe down there I need to disconnect so that I can pull the tank free, hopefully. Right, I just need to get this little hose off, but obviously it's been on there for years, so it's going to be quite tight. Basically got it off, so it should, there we go. Happy days. Right, so obviously you do not need to know why I need a new expansion tank, because there's obviously a big bloody hole in it, and it's not meant to look like that. I just need to get rid of all this. I think there's one more bolt in there just so I can have enough space to do it all. Right, so I've taken it all apart. I've just got to do the reverse now, put it all back together. I'll give it a quick clean up as well, why not? Right, I gave it a tiny little bit of a clean, and now I'll whack it all back together. Right, so I'm just going to whack this line back on. There is a clip, I'm just going to zip tie it as always. Right, that should be good enough to hold it. Shouldn't be too much pressure. Last little bolt, nut, whatever to go in, and then the battery, and then we should be done. Right, it is all back together. I'll put some antifreeze in it. I just need to put the battery on, and then we should be all good. Right, just got to pop the battery in, connect the terminals, and then hopefully I've not missed out anything. Right, I've also gone through the effort of, well, I say the effort, it was a piece of piss. Jimmy Broadbent very kindly gave me a really nice Hks JDM filter at Mattwood a few years ago, and I never had a car to put it on up until now. So yes, the air filter probably cost nearly as much as the car. Does it look sick? Yes, it does. Is it going to sound cool? Yes. Right, so it's all ready. I'll get my dad to start the car. Go on. Oh, that sounds sick. Wicked. That sounds awesome. Right, there you go, people. I hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have liked it, enjoyed it, whatever, so on and so forth, I'd love it if you could leave a comment or
subscribe or like or anything like that, it goes a long way, and it does make my day. So I really appreciate that, and I will see you in the next video where I'll be showing you another car.